Instagram creator profiles give you all kinds of tools that you don't get with a personal profile. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up an Instagram creator account step by step, whether you already have an account that you want to convert or if you're starting completely from scratch. All right, let's get into it. Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media, where we help overwhelmed business owners streamline their social media so that they get more revenue with less work. If that sounds like something you'd like in your business, take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. Also, if you want a streamlined social media plan, one of my favorite things to help business owners and entrepreneurs create, I've got a masterclass that shows you how to get started doing that, and I'll tell you how you can access it completely for free at the end of this video, so make sure to watch for that. My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an Instagram creator account. If you're starting completely from scratch, download the Instagram app, and then you'll be asked to create an account. So you'll create a username and a password, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you've already got an Instagram account, you just want to convert it to a creator account or creator profile. First thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the lower right corner on your profile picture to go to your profile. Then from here, you're going to click the 3 lines in the upper right corner, also known as the hamburger menu. You're going to click the first option there where it says settings. Then you're going to click where it says account. So I tap that, and then I scroll all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to click that first blue option, switch to professional account. There's a couple of different types of professional accounts, and that's why it says professional instead of creator. So I click on switch to professional account. It says get a free professional account. Basically gives you more insights and things like that. So I click continue there. This is just walking me through the benefits of a creator account. And if you want to learn more about the differences between accounts, I've linked to a video about that in the description of this video. Then one of the things you're going to have as a creator account is a category, kind of like a Facebook business page would have. And so this account here I just created is for my podcast, Social Media for Streamlined Entrepreneurs. So I've selected podcast there, but you can come in and search for whatever fits your business best. If nothing else makes sense, but you have a business, you might just tap entrepreneur, and that makes the most sense for you. You'll also notice here they have shopping and retail, local service, so there's probably something in there, hopefully, that will fit what your account is about. So I'm going to go back, choose podcast, click done. It says at the bottom this can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating. But just like that, it's done. Now, this is where you're going to choose. Do I want to be a creator account, which is why you're watching this video, and if so, you would tap that one. Or if you would rather have a business account, then you can tap the top one. Now, Instagram describes these as business being best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organizations, and service providers, which sounds like almost everybody. And then creator says best for public figures, content producers, artists, and influencers. Now, I find that when I have a creator account, I tend to get more reach, even though I give up a few of the features that a business profile has. You still get all of the analytics and everything like that. So, creator account, you tap that, then hit next. And that's it. They'll give you a few tutorials here that you can choose on the screen here, but you can see at the bottom it says complete your profile, and that is checked off. I tap the X in the upper right corner, and just like that, this is now a creator account. Hey, if you're frustrated with the way your social media for your business is going and you want a streamlined plan where you can get more results with less work, check out my free masterclass, 3 Secrets to a Streamlined Social Media Strategy, okay? You can click the link and get signed up right now, or watch this video for more information.